Choosing an electric scooter isn't about finding the fastest one. It's about finding the right tool for your specific commute. Buy the wrong one, and you're left with dead batteries on a hill, a terrifyingly unstable ride, or a 50-pound paperweight you can't carry upstairs. Today, I am cutting through the marketing specs to analyze 5 top models based on real-world range, hill climb capability, ride stability, and true portability. Whether you're a last-mile commuter or a weekend explorer, let's find your match. The ZapRun positions itself as a premium all-rounder for city streets. Its 750-watt motor is ample for most urban inclines, and the 4 adjustable speed modes allow you to match local regulations and battery conservation needs. The standout feature is its comfort-focused design. The 9.3-inch pneumatic tires combined with front and rear swing arm suspension create a surprisingly plush ride that absorbs cracks and bumps effectively. The triple braking system and comprehensive lighting address safety thoroughly. The claimed 25-mile range is optimistic. Expect 16 to 20 miles with real-world use at higher speeds. This is the ideal scooter for the daily urban commuter who prioritizes a smooth, comfortable, and safe ride. The JG-HX5 Ultra is in a different league of performance. Its 3,200-watt dual motors and 52-volt battery deliver exhilarating acceleration and a 45-mile-per-hour top speed, placing it in the high-performance category that often blurs into electric motorcycle territory. The 40-mile claimed range and 35% hill climb grade are serious figures for adventurous riders. The dual suspension and dual braking system are necessary for controlling this much power. However, with great power comes great weight and responsibility. This scooter will be heavy, likely 65+ pounds, less portable, and its top speed is illegal on most public bike lanes and sidewalks. The V30Pro excels at one thing, being a genuinely portable, practical last-mile solution. Its 32-pound weight is a game-changer for carrying upstairs, onto buses, or into an office. The 350-watt motor and 18-mile-per-hour top speed are modest but sufficient for flat to moderately sloped city grids. The 10-inch honeycomb tires are a smart compromise. They never go flat but offer a harsher ride than pneumatics. The dual rear spring suspension helps mitigate this. The 19.9-mile range is realistic for its battery size. The isinwheel GT1 strikes a deliberate balance between commuter practicality and exploratory capability. Its 800-watt motor and 28 miles per hour speed provide plenty of power for hills and faster road sections. The key differentiators are its 10-inch off-road pneumatic tires and dual shock absorption, which give it legitimate competence on packed dirt, gravel, and poorly maintained pavement. The 28-mile range is solid for its class. The comprehensive lighting and app connectivity are welcome features. At an estimated 45 to 50 pounds, it's portable but not ultra-light. This is the best choice for riders with variable terrain. The CUNFON RZ800 is built for heavy-duty, long-distance riding. Its powerful motor and large battery promise a class-leading 35 to 50-mile range and a 330-pound weight capacity, making it suitable for larger riders or those carrying gear. The 10.5-inch pneumatic tires and dual spring suspension are designed for comfort over distance. The IPX5 water resistance rating is a significant practical advantage for all-weather commuters. The fingerprint lock is a unique security feature. However, this capability comes with a substantial footprint and weight, reducing its portability. This is the premier scooter for heavy riders, delivery couriers, or anyone who needs maximum range and all-weather reliability.